What's up, guys? JT over at Team FAS Motorsports. Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be installing the bent metal rear windshield on this Can-Am X3. So we'll go ahead and get this thing opened up, see what's included. Okay, so let's see what we got here. So, initial impression right off the bat, all the weather stripping, the molding is all on. You have your Velcro straps here, that's how it attaches. This is supposed to be an extremely easy install. This is a glass windshield. Comes with the vent here, so if this was going to be on the interior of the vehicle, you do have your opening and closing vent, which is nice. You know, especially when you open the vents on the front one. We didn't put the front windshield on this yet. That'll be in the next video. But definitely nice setup. So we'll go over to the back of the vehicle and go ahead and get this thing slapped on. Okay, so we're over here at the back of the vehicle. And this does get installed from the inside of the vehicle. So we already have the passenger side seat out. I don't think that's necessary to do it all. We just had to do some other wiring on the vehicle, so it's already out. But just gonna go ahead and lay this up into place. And then you have your Velcro straps here on the side. Just gonna feed the first one through here. Okay. Got that first one in place. Yeah, so you do want to push down on that, get it nice and snug for your weather seal. You're going to feed this one through the top. Feed your other one here through the top. And it's going to get over here. Feed this through. Rotate it down so you're grabbing the Velcro. That's that side. That's that. It's all nice and tight. We're going to go back inside. Make sure everything's sitting flush. Good weather seal. Just double check our side ones. Again, there's your middle vent right there. That's all there is to it. Super simple install. Fits real nice in here. And that's exactly how you install it. No more than 5 minutes with one person, and you have your rear windshield in. Now, you might want to go back down around. Just make sure everything is sitting where you want it, nice and flush. Try to get as many gaps closed as possible. And that's it. Bent metal fab rear windshield for the Can-Am X3. Your side straps, your roof straps. And again, there's your vent. Fits nice around the top. Down here, once we get our plastic piece and everything, this will seal pretty good. Okay, so that's all there is to it to install this rear window on the Can-Am X3 from Bent Metal. You can give us a call if you need to get hooked up with one. 914-799-5558. Real nice product. In the next video, we're going to be doing the front window and the washer setup, along with the electric wiper. So that'll complete the front and rear setup for this Can-Am X3. So again, thank you for watching the channel. We appreciate it. If you found the video useful, go ahead and give us a like. Subscribe to the channel. We do some giveaways. We have a lot more videos coming up. It greatly helps us. And we appreciate you guys as always. And we'll catch you on the next one. Thanks for watching.